the crossroads of Trader Joe's and nestled between Central and Riverside Parks is a rare find. Andrew, come on in. This is great news. I love this apartment. Everything is renovated.
Bathrooms, kitchen?
Everything.
Wow. Amelia, you know, besides how great the bathrooms and kitchens are, this apartment is perfect for entertaining.
Wow, I could really see a party here. This apartment has great glow. Did I mention I love this apartment?
Yes, I've heard it. You did mention that you love this apartment. That's right, Amelia. Dinner for 14 is really easy here. This kitchen has it all. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, solid wood cabinetry, and let's not forget, vented washer dryer. Now this is what I call a walk-in or out shower.
This is a fabulous primary bathroom. I'm ready for my close-up.
The Stanton is rich in amenities, 24-hour doorman, live-in resident manager, fully equipped gym with sauna, storage, bike room, laundry room, playroom, furnished roof deck, and it's also pet-friendly.
The Stanton name comes from Elizabeth Cady Stanton, where she lived on a house on this site and held meetings with her friend and protege, Susan B. Anthony.
If you'd like to visit 4D at 250 West 94th Street,
Give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewartz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.